to Ignite a Garage. I gotta clean up the shop. In this episode, I'm gonna clean up my little workspace here, prep the metal to be installed in the truck, and we'll figure out, I think I'm gonna seam seal it today. So what I'm gonna do right now is this little area right here, I've got to clean it up. It's a mess. And there we go, guys. It's a lot better than what it was. So what I'm gonna do is I cut this piece too short as a dum-dum, and I cut that piece too short for the floor pan in the truck. This little extension, which is the same gauge I believe, or I can just all out freaking extend it that much. Well guys, this piece right here is going to be for the weather stripping. I'm going to drill some holes in here all the way up so I can do some spot welds. Because right from this point to this point right in here, there's absolutely no metal in the truck. So I'm going to try and jimmy rig up some weather stripping spots. So I'm going to drill this out. So I'm happy you guys are enjoying my videos. It means a lot to me. And I think I'm going to do a little giveaway here. But I'm going to do the rest of them and I'll be right back. Okay, now it is a little windy, but I'm going to spot weld it along here. Now we'll make for the weather stripping, and then I got to work on doing the floor. So I'm going to spot weld it. I'm not going to show you guys me welding. It is windy. I'll be back after I spot weld it in. Well guys, I got that in so far, and then I ran out of freaking wire. So I won't be able to finish it until I get some wire. What's going on guys? I'm back here working on the freaking Dodge. Now what I've got to do is, see all this stuff right here? I'm going to cut that all the way at this line, all the way back. And then I'm going to cut it to about here, and then back to here. And then I've got the other piece that I ripped out of the other truck at the wreckers. There's that piece. Now what I want to do is this edge line right here, all the way up, I want to bend that up so that I have something to connect to the other piece. These are already drilled for spot welds. So I'm going to do that. Now I know you're only going to see from here down, but I want to show you guys what I mean by bending it up. So right at this line, get the vice grips, and then I'm going to bend it up. Alright guys, so what I've done is bent up the lip all the way along here. Now what I have to do is this mark right there, I got to cut it. So now I got all the sound deadening, I gotta fix this end up, and then I'm gonna prep all that up there. So, if you guys got Facebook, Instagram, add me. It'll be popping up down in the corner over here. And soon I'm gonna get peel box for you guys, because what I want to do is that back window I want to cover in stickers on the race car. So if you guys want to send stickers, let me know in the comments below. I'll go get a peel box, and then you guys can send me stickers and whatever. So I'm hoping to get 200 subscribers before June 11th, or before Canada Day, maybe May 2 for a weekend. If I can, that'd be perfect, and then I'll send some stickers out. But let's get back to work, guys, and I'll show you after I'm done prepping it. Okay, so what I gotta do now, guys, all these little black spots, I've gotta drill them out, and I'm gonna spot weld it. I won't be doing that tonight, I'll be doing it tomorrow, because it's cold. See, that's what it's gonna look like. And it's gonna be right in there, but I gotta fix some things up, and bend some stuff, and twist some stuff, and try and make it work. So what's going on, guys? It is another new day on frickin' Dodge. Now I have welded some in, and I'm not going to be showing you guys me welding because I'm not damaging my camera. It's not the greatest thing, but it's in. I have a piece of cardboard because this carpet, that stuff goes up really fast. How I can get a piece of cardboard in there or something to block the welds. Well guys, there she is. It's all welded up. Woohoo! It's not the prettiest thing, but it's on my floor. Who's gonna look on my floor? So it's not bad for what I've done. I did spot welds and I'm gonna weld the whole thing all the way up and around. So I'm gonna clean this up. And then I gotta prep it, seam sealer, paint it, and I want a rocker guard underneath, and then the truck's done. I was scared a lot worse than what it actually is, so what I might do is fill that one too, and then possibly seal those ones. Wow, that's hot. Alright guys, I did finish up. Now, I seam sealed the whole thing, and it goes, seam sealer goes all the way back over there, so I'm pretty sure it should be safe now. If any of you are Dodge guys and know where I can get the grommet piece for there, and a grommet piece right there, hit me up in the comments. I'll reply. Now, what I haven't done was put the trim back on. That piece right there just slides up into there. It's a pain in the butt, but let's see if this is actually going to work since it's not factory. I don't know if it's going to work. Oh, it does. Perfect. Now, I don't have anything screws up here. I got my self-tap one right there, just to hold that trim piece in. She's done. If you're new to my channel, thanks for clicking on it. And don't forget to subscribe if you're into the truck stuff or drifting or just any car related stuff. Now, I'm going to end this one here. I hope you enjoyed it. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you on the next one, guys. Later.